Hello everyone, I'm back here to talk a little bit about the market. Actually, you're gonna do a little market recap from the video that you posted 2 days ago, I believe. Um, okay, let's check the crypto market first, and then we're gonna move to the stock, and then you take a look a little bit on forex pairs. Yeah, Bitcoin's 44,000 right now. Ethereum at 3,000. Cardano at $2.29. Binance 376. XRP 98. Solana 146. Polkadot 32. Dogecoin 22 cents. Let's see. Let me take a look here on Doge. Look here a little bit. Yeah, looks like that Dodge one go a little bit down again. There's a strong support here. If breaks, am I gonna come all the way down here at 10 cents? And that will be, I think, it'll be a very good place to buy. Between 8 to 10 cents. Let's go stock. Let's do Facebook. Wow, big gap here on Facebook. $345. Yesterday was 300, almost 360. Went down for the past 2 days. Very strong move to the downside. Let's see, Apple is moving up a little bit. I don't think this uptrend is gonna hold. I think this market gonna start turn to the downside. Yeah, I think it's gonna break this trend line, and might gonna come and test this support zone here. Um, check check this. Yeah, this will be a very strong support for Apple at 134, 134 and 96, maybe $135 for Apple. It will be a very strong support to buy. You have a stochastic at oversold zone, so this might gonna turn to the upside, but I think the price might gonna test this low here at $135. That is Apple. Let's take a look on Tesla. It's moving up a little bit as well. Tesla is moving up. Google. Let's see how's Google's doing. Okay, so we analyzed this. I told you guys that it is gonna be a very strong support to hold this, stock to the upside. If the market decides to come back and stay here for a little bit, am I gonna break the support and fill this gap? And then here's gonna be another demand zones that people will buy this stock to the upside. So the market might gonna come back inside of this box, and then might be for price range for a little bit, and then if it's break, gonna test this low here at it's gonna be opportunity to buy from 2,470 73 to $2,512. Anywhere in this place here will be a very good place to buy Google. Let's see, Amazon, it's moving up a little bit as well. um, we have stochastic oversold. zone. This am I gonna fill this gap and come to test the high here. And then if you decided to follow the whole stock market, this might gonna come down and might be in a sideway mode. Let's see, gold came back down for the past 2 days. Let's see, that is daily candle. We have this drop, um, and then we have this candle here. It's a daily candle. It's forming right now. Let me take a look on this on the weekly short. Yeah. So for me, gold is still a buy option. You know, to think about sell gold, I think have to break the 1,650, 59, $60. You know, until this doesn't happen, I'm not gonna think about selling gold. I'm just gonna think about buying. So everywhere here, it's for me, it's gonna be opportunity to buy. So all this section here will be a buy zone. So to think about selling gold, have to break. But even if it's break, you know what? Have a 200-day um moving average here. So not gonna good be a good option to buy gold. So just buy. If you wanna buy right now, consider putting stop loss at this low, maybe $1,644. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see S&P 500. S&P 500. Let's see if I can find here. Nope. Nope. So we have this. I'll take a look on S&P 500 later. That is a weekly. This daily short. I bought this stock here, and that I think I'm gonna get out. I bought at 11 $11.50, but I have been a side range for a long time. So if I put this on a weekly, so it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. I mean, too many time. I don't wanna hold this no more. I think I'm gonna get out with a little bit of loss. I bought $11.50, and the price right now it's $7.60. I'm probably gonna lose $4 per share. I have a bunch of share of that, so I'm gonna get out. It's not something that I wanna hold for any longer. I think I'm gonna close my position. I don't feel happy to be here. So I think I'm gonna get out from this stock. Um, I don't know. I'll take a look on that later. Let me show you um, S&P 500. So if 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 you go back to the video that I posted like 2 days ago, I told you guys that the market was here. I don't know if you can see my mouse, but the market was here, and then I told you guys that a lot of people will think that this will be a place to sell, and then I told you guys that you have to think different. So instead of to think about selling X S&P 500, you're gonna think about buying, because all those people from Wall Street, you know, all those big banks, they're gonna buy this and gonna push the price to the upside. So it did for the past 2 days, went up almost 1600 points. Yeah, exactly 1600 points. So let me show you the video that I told you that. Let me see if I can find. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I don't think you guys gonna hear, but the price was here, and then I was explained about not think about selling, think about buying to the upside, you know. Um, and then it did. So if you take a look on the price today, it's 16 points up from the price that 2 days ago. So went up a lot. And then right now, I think it's gonna be a place to sell. Already did. Already did. 1800 profit, but I'm lose 5,000 um, on silver, another 3,000, 3,500 on gold. Um, I think this gonna come back to the lower. If not, I might gonna get out any point around here. If the price break this supply zone, let me show you what I mean. If the price break this to the upside, I'm gonna get out because I don't wanna age the price to test the resistance here at 45 4500. If I see some strong move to the upside, my stop is gonna be anywhere around this place. For now, I'm gonna hold. Already profit from the buying position, and then I close with the profit, and then I just sold. I sold a little bit ago. If you see the date, you know, it's about maybe 40 minutes ago, an hour. I think that's it. I just want to do a little recap from the market, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.